What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started. Hi guys, I've got some big news today on one of our stock picks, Greenlane Renewables. There's two news catalysts that I believe will have a massive impact on the share price going forward, so make sure you stick till the end of the video. Now, if you're an existing subscriber, then you've probably heard me talk about this company a few times in the past. If you're new to the channel, let me quickly summarize. Greenlane Renewables is a renewable natural gas company that is an industry leader in this space. This is a high growth stock with massive potential. I'll leave a link to a video I made about them for more DD in the description that you can check out later after this video. But now let's get to the big news that I believe will push the share price higher this week. Now, in the last video I made about this company, I shared with you an email that was sent by an investor to Greenlane Renewables, basically asking them about what they think about uplisting to other exchanges. They basically replied saying that they're currently analyzing this and that uplisting to other exchanges was definitely on their radar. So basically the big news here is that they've just announced that they're graduating to the Toronto Stock Exchange. This, in my opinion, is huge news and should send the share price higher in the weeks ahead. I'm expecting a pop in the share price today since they start trading on the TSX market on the 17th, which is today. Greenlane Renewables is pleased to announce that it has received final approval for the listing of its common shares and warrants on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Greenlane's common shares and warrants will commence trading on the TSX effective as of market open tomorrow, February 17th, 2021, under the current trading symbols of GRN. It's important to note that before, this company traded on the TSXV market, which is like the OTC market in the US. This meant that previously there wasn't enough volume for the share price to rise as it should have, even though it 5x'd in the last 6 months. So if they can 5x on low volume, where do you think they're going to go now? I think this has the potential to double really quickly. Now, let's get to the second news catalyst that I think will also play a big part in pushing the share price further up. Greenlane Renewables is pleased to announce the early repayment in full, including principal and interest, of an outstanding promissory note owing to Pressure Technologies PLC in the amount of $6 million. So basically, Greenlane Renewables is now debt-free, which is great for the company. Right, so now let's take a look at the chart. So as you can see here, the share price has gone up by over 16% yesterday. This was off the back of the press release in which they announced that they were graduating to the Toronto Stock Exchange. Now, the other news about them becoming debt-free is as recent as 5 or 6 hours ago. I think both of these news catalysts will continue to push the share price higher throughout this week. My price target is $5 by the end of the year. I do think that this is a bit conservative, and so I won't be surprised if you cross that price a lot sooner than that. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. Have an awesome week and I'll see you in the next one.